Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you requested, we are here to compare these two smart band. We have the Redmi Smartband 2 and we have the Huawei Band 7. Previously, we compared the Redmi Smartband 2 with the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. Okay, so this time we are going to compare these two wearable from two different brands. Okay, so we will check the menus and features as well as the specifications. If you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below. Okay, I guess we are ready now, so let's check it out. Okay, so let's put this aside. Let's focus more on these two wearables. Again, on this side we have the Redmi Smartband 2. Okay, this one is the Redmi Smartband 2 and here is the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so if we are going to put it side by side, as you can see here, you almost have the same black border here. Okay, let me adjust this one so we can see it better. Okay, you see the border here, the black border on the side, almost have the same size. Okay, I guess the Redmi Smartband 2 do have a I think just slightly wider black border. Okay, this one you have to press the button. Okay, on the body frame here for the Redmi Smartband 2, it is a capsule like strap on. Okay, body frame. If you want to replace the strap, okay, so just pull the strap here. Okay, somewhat similar to the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Okay, very affordable strap for this one if you're going to buy a third-party strap. While for the Huawei Band 7, proprietary strap, but there are also other third-party strap that you can buy online, just limited in option. Okay, as you can see here, just remove it with a quick release pin. Okay, and you can change the strap. Okay, side by side on the design, there's no button for the Redmi Smartband 2, while for the Huawei Band 7 we have a physical button here. Okay, so ergonomic design for the Huawei Band 7. Okay, slightly curved body frame. Okay, but on the width it's almost the same here, I think. Okay, and the thickness, so both are very lightweight smart bands. So let's check which is much lighter. Again, this is our Redmi Smartband 2. Going to weigh in, we have 26.75, while for the Huawei Band 7 we do have 28.18 grams. Okay, so you just see minor difference. Okay, but for the comfort of wearing it, it's almost the same. Okay, for the size, let's check. We do have here, okay, let's check. Okay, this one. Okay, so it's around 41. Okay, for the length. While for this one, let's check. Okay, I guess it's much wider. So around 42 point something or 43. Okay, for the thickness, not including the sensor, for the Huawei Band 7, it is around, what's this, 8. Okay, 8mm. While for the Redmi Smartband 2, I think it's just the same. Okay, it's almost similar in width or length and thickness. Okay, let's check for the width here. Okay, I'm curious to know. I think you are also curious to know the width here. Okay, so it's around 24, not including the button here, for the Huawei Band 7. So much wider for the Redmi Smartband. Okay, it's around just the same, 24 I think. Okay, so minor differences, almost the same I think. Okay, so let's check here for the watch face. You have to press the button here. For the watch face option, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a lot of options for the Huawei Band 7. But for the Redmi Smart Band 2, okay, if you watch our previous video, we only have at least 3 watch faces available. Okay, you cannot add more to the, you can replace, but you cannot add more to the Smart Band. Okay, for the usage here, okay, on the bottom, top to bottom, as you can see, okay, the quick settings here, notifications, the quick settings. Where's the quick settings? Okay, it's not available. Okay, you have to go to the menus if you like. On the bottom part for this one, the notifications. Okay, so this is similar to Redmi Smart Band 2. When you try to access, let's check. Okay, it's on the other side for the music. Okay, here, let's see. Okay, as you can see, if you want to access the menus for the Huawei Band 7, you have to press the button here. So these menus are located here. For the Huawei Band 7, or for the Redmi Smart Band 2, okay, it's on the bottom part. Okay, so let's check the difference on the features here. Workouts, activity, stats, status here, heart rate. Okay, it's almost the same in sequence. Sleep, activity records, okay, healthy living, weather, stress, okay, breathing guide, music control, notifications, alarm. You have the weather also here, timer, alarm, find phone, flashlight settings. So there's a lot of options for the Huawei Band 7. Let's see the settings here. Okay, let's check other features for the sports. As you can see, the Huawei Band 7 do have more features. Okay, for the sports, let's see. Where's the sports section? Sports. So outdoor run, indoor run, walking style. Okay, you can see it here. All swimming, more. Both do have a lot of options when it comes to sports. Okay, so despite that the Redmi Smartband 2 do have a very affordable price, it's still loaded with a lot of features. I think the Huawei Band 7 cost twice more than the Redmi Smartband 2. Okay, let's check the heart rate here. Heart rate, which has a much better UI. See, okay, it's almost the same in appearance here. As you can see, we also have graphs. Okay, gone back. But you can see, as you can see here, it has a lot of details for the Huawei Band 7, while for the Redmi Smart Band 2, it shows here more details in the app. You have to go to the application to see the details or additional information. Sleep. Okay, no sleep data yet. Okay, what else? What about the weather? Okay, you need to connect it to the smartphone. We do have alarm, healthy living, stress, music control. Do we have a music control here? Let's see. Okay, I don't see any music control. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, so both do have a volume control. Notifications, camera, alarm, weather, flashlight. There's a flashlight here. This one. Okay, styles, that is the watch face, display, brightness, auto lock. Okay, how about here? Let's see. Display, watch face, always on. So there's a support for always on for the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so that's it for the menus and the different functions of the Redmi Smart Band 2 versus the Huawei Band 7. Okay, for the specs, okay, you can check it here, and this side for the Redmi Smart Band 2 and Huawei Band 7 on this side. Okay, display is 1.47 inch TFT for Redmi Smart Band 2, while for the Huawei Band 7 it is 1.47 AMOLED screen. Both do have a Bluetooth connectivity, 5.1 for the Redmi Smart Band 2, and for the Huawei Band 7, 5.0. Okay, the same battery life, 14 days, 580 mAh, waterproof, and with heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, you can check it on this side. Okay, so that's it. If you want to check more on the specs and features of these two wearable, you can check on our website, smartwatchspecifications.com. Again, if you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.